வேண்டு வாங்களேன். Hi guys, nice to see you all guys.
Um,
Hi Darsh, how are you? Hi Arya. Hey, I have a big request. First name, last name, please. First name, last name. If you don't have it, log out and log back in because I'm trying to track attendance. That's my request to you all. Hi Anvi, how are you?
good.
Yama. So when you log in, your name should reflect your first name, last name. That is the only way I can track attendance. Please, I know you can rename, but Zoom does not record it. So can you log off and log back in with your first name and last name? That really helps me, Ma. Thank you. But log back in quickly.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yes, Ma.
When is the AOPS algebra class?
Soon after this, you can just join. So, no, no, no,
Okay.
not soon after this. After half an hour. Meaning, this class gets over by 7:45 maybe, 7:45, 7:50, right? I'm sorry. This class gets over by 6:50, right?
Okay.
So, the class starts by 7:15.
Okay. So is there like a code, or can I just like stay in
So,
the
you can
same?
just join with the first name and last name. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. We'll go ahead. Hi, Nikita. Nice to see you after a long time. 2 weeks
Yeah.
of break, right, Ma? Good, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Nidhi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, let's go ahead, guys. So, how many of you know? I think we have started with radicals, right? Jay, I have a request, Jay and Nidhi. You have to log in with your first name, last name. That is the only way for me to track attendance. So, my kind request for you is log off, log back in quickly with your first name and last name. Thank you so much. Can we do that, guys? You can log off and log back in quickly, and then I'll get the class started. Since this is the first class, I'm requesting you on that because that's the only way for me to track attendance. Okay. Yeah. Can I go ahead? Okay. So let's go ahead. You all see my board? Okay, just for those, just for Anvi and Darsh knows, I think. Anvi and Akshara, the way it works is she logged off. Anvi and Akshara, the way the class works is you can chat with me. You can chat using the chat window. If you want, you can try chatting with me now so that you understand how to message me. There is a chat window. You can message me in that chat window. One-on-one chat is available. Okay, you cannot chat with the friends in this class. However, you can chat your answers with me. That's the intent. For any problem that we work, I would like to see everybody's answer. I will track. Okay, so please send the answer to me. Okay, you can try chatting, try sending a message and seeing so that you get used to it. The second thing is when you submit homework, I do not want to see just the answers. Please, there is no point in seeing because I'm going to give you the answer key as well. Okay, so please don't give me the answers alone back. Arya, a quick note to you on that, Arya. I do not want to see just the answers because I am giving you the answer key. So there is no point in you sending me the just the answer numbers 5, 10, 15. Don't do that. There is no point. Don't type it. Okay, I really want to see your work. Do it in a math journal. Maintain a math book for the whole year. Okay, when you maintain the math book for the whole year, you will do it in that notebook. Take pictures and put it into the Google Classroom as a PDF. You can use the app called Cam Scanner. Any questions?
No.
Okay, and by this time, I think you will all be also having the calculators with you, right? TI-84 CE plus, correct?
I don't have a physical one, but I website.
You will use the website?
Yeah. I'm gonna ask my mom to buy one.
I don't
I
have
think
one
that's
either.
what, ma? Sorry, what?
I don't have one either.
Oh, okay. Okay. For algebra one, you didn't have?
No.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Doesn't Darsh, I know about you. Your mom. I'll talk to your mom if needed. For Anvi, if you don't want to buy, if your mom says don't buy, don't buy. Okay. But my highest recommendation for you all is to buy. Get used to the functions in the calculator because SAT is fully math calculator based. So it's important that you guys get access to how to meddle with it, how to work it out fast. You should know. So that's why I usually request. But if your moms and dads are like, oh, it's very expensive, we don't need to buy that. I'll leave it to you. Okay. I'm not asking you to go fight with them. That's not the intent. So let them know about it. Let them decide, and you both, mom, you all can decide. I'm sorry, guys. Vikyat, video, please, is important.
Sorry, I was just fixing something.
No problem at all. Okay, I'll go. Am I sharing? Okay. Okay. How good are you with this? I think I started this after finishing algebra, right? It did not let me change my last name. Oh, really? Okay, Anvi, the problem is it doesn't record your attendance, man. It will. Okay. Now you don't worry about it. Next week, definitely join only with your first name, last name. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, now this one I did get started. I'm going to get started with radicals. Okay, a couple of things that you need to know from algebra 1. One is operation and radicals, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then you should all by this time know how to solve quadratics. The third one that you need to know is equations of lines. Equations of lines, 3 forms. Then equations of, inside that itself, equations of parallel perpendicular lines. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Is there anyone who does not? I know Darsh does not know. Oh, where is my video? I'm asking for video and you all did not say that I am not.
Miss Priya, I know radicals and I'm working on quadratics a little bit.
Oh, nice. But guys, are you all seeing my video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss
there is
Priya, I'm
another
also
Priya.
working on quadratics.
Oh, you're also working on quadratics. Okay, okay. Viju, I will anyway create a breakout room. Whenever you want, you can join in.
Oh,
Is that okay, Viju? No hurry.
Should I stay in this or
Yeah, left
because
to
in-
you. Yeah,
yeah,
you
yeah.
feel
Okay.
free to stay here.
Okay.
And whenever the kids come, you can branch out. But I'll create. You're also a host, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll create a breakout room for you, and you can go then. Wait. Let me do that quickly. It's okay to start late. Wait. Create a breakout room. Assign co-host to breakout room. Okay. Assign manually. Create. Assign. Yeah, you don't need to join now. You can join later. Oh, first I'll assign you as co-host as well. That I need to do, right? Sorry, guys. Give me a minute, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're already a co-host. Okay, that's good. Rename. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to breakout room. Yeah, I'll just assign you there. Assign. Yep. You can join whenever you want to. Okay, Vijayshri. Okay, let me go ahead, guys. So Is there anybody other than Darsh who does not know radicals, quadratics, and equations of line and equation of parallel and perpendicular lines?
I don't know that either.
Miss Priya, I'm not sure about the equations of lines.
Equation, okay.
Same. I
And
also don't know.
once, okay. I need to discuss this then. Equation of line is the slope intercept form, the point slope form. I'll be slow, guys. I want to understand who does not know. And then the intercept form. Given an equation of a line, you have to know the equation of a parallel line, perpendicular line. Anvi, can you tell me what grade you are in?
I'm in 8th grade.
8th grade. Have you finished Algebra 1?
No, I moved from Canada and I just moved, so I'm new to like the levels of maths.
So what math are you going to study next year?
Honors algebra, but I'm gonna CBE geometry at the end of the year, next year.
I see. So Algebra 1 you're going to study at school, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
same with me.
Yeah, I know Darsh, I know you.
Same here.
Anvi's mom, I did talk. Okay, let's see.
I'll be doing algebra this year.
Who, ma?
Nikita, I'll be doing
Yeah, I
algebra
know you,
this
ma. Nikita, I know you.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been working with you, right? Okay. I just want to understand. Okay, good. Vikyat, what is your question on that? You should know. Is my expectation incorrect? You should know by now, right, Vikyat?
What?
You should know by now, right, Vikyat? You should know all of this, right?
I do, but I'm kind of weak on it right now.
No problem. We'll review. Johan, what is your problem on that? You're
Just
also doubtful?
just quadratics and a little bit on the third one, maybe.
Oh, a little bit of review is required. That's what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I just want to know, okay, so that I can move on based on however you are. Does not matter, but I need the actual reality. Okay, and we don't worry about it. We'll see later, ma. Okay, now let's say there's a line. Okay, we'll talk everything on a number line or a coordinate plane. Geometry is all about it. Okay, so let's say I have this as minus 12. Okay, zero, 4, 5, 6. What is the midpoint between the two? Minus 2 and 6. What is the midpoint between the two? Do you know? What is the midpoint?
Minus 3. Is it minus 3?
Why do you think it's minus 3?
Negative 3 because if you the
You
absolute
jumped 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you came to 1, 2, 3. This is 0, right? So then 1, 2, 3. So it's a minus 3. That's how you decided?
No, I added the absolute values between negative 12 and 6. And
You
then
added, okay. So he says he added the absolute value, meaning, so basically what he did was he added the absolute value of minus 12 and 6 and then did what?
and then divided it by 2 to find the midpoint.
That won't work, right?
Oh.
No, I'm asking you. Why would you want to add the absolute value? You can just add the first number and last number, divide by 2. Minus 12 plus 6 divide by 2. Right?
Oh, okay.
You see what I mean? Did you all get it? Jay, did you get that?
Yeah.
So to find the middle point of between 2 points and a number line, yeah, I know you can hop, but it is going to take time. The easiest way is to add the starting point, ending point, divide by 2. Make sense? So
Yeah.
let me mark this as x1. Let me mark this as x2. X points, right? It's an x-axis, right? So I mark this as x1, x2. So if I say midpoint, how to calculate the midpoint? X1 plus X2 divided by 2. Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. I know I revised radicals. How many of you can factor 300? Square root of 300. How to simplify square root of 300? I would like to get answers. If you don't know, you can say you don't know. You can feel free to say you don't know, but at the same time, I want to see how many of you know, how many of you don't know. Please, there is no point in browsing, checking, telling. You're just deceiving yourselves, guys. The intent is for you to learn in this class. Even if you don't know, that's where you need to be focused and learn. Okay. I really wanted to take.
Miss Priya, do we send answers in chat?
Yeah, Ma. Please send answers in chat. Kunshita, are you there? Kunshita. Kunshita, Rishita, are you there?
It's just Conchita.
Yeah, Kunshita, I'm going to move you to the breakout room. Ma. Make sense? Your teacher is waiting there. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. You know how to join the breakout room?
No.
I don't know how to do this, Wait. Kunshita. Where is Kunshita? Did you guys get it, guys? Are
Yeah.
you getting the invite, Kunshita? I got some
Yeah.
answers. Okay.
Should I
You
join
can
it?
yeah, you can join there. She'll be there. Your teacher is there. Yeah, Vikyat. Lasya, nice. Samanvi, nice. Kavin. Okay, you forgot. Okay, that's okay. Arya, correct. Jay, correct. Okay. See, guys, please don't keep quiet. If you don't know, you have to chat with me that you don't know. Okay, there's no point in keeping quiet and not answering. That does not work with me. Then I'll start picking you out. You have to please let me know that you did not know or you knew. You have to be very clear about it and I need to receive that in chat. Nikita, did you get it?
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
can you check if mine's right?
I saw yours. That's right.
Miss Priya,
Yeah?
it's not letting me send it in the chat. Like,
No problem, ma. Yeah, that's what I want you to call out. If you have a problem, I'll help you. Nidhi, why don't you reply to my chat? Does it help, Nidhi?
yeah, it worked now. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Who else? See, guys, don't make me pick, guys. Yes, Avni, I got your message. That's great. Akshara, did you send? Yes, Akshara. You got it. Good job. There is one more I did not see. Johan, you got it, Johan?
Not really.
Oh, you forgot. Okay, it's interesting, guys. Oh, you only learned this today, but we did it in algebra, ma.
I didn't do algebra. I'm learning it with my dad.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
It's
Sorry.
okay.
Yes. I remember discussing that with your dad. I asked you not to come for that, right? Yeah, that's okay. 300 to prime factorize it. I will draw the prime factorization tree. 30 times 10. Then I will again factorize 5 times 6. 5 is a prime number, circle it. 6 is not a prime number. Again, you do 3 times 2. 3 and 2 are prime numbers. Here, 5 and 2 are prime numbers. So what you have prime factorized it and then write everything. I write all the prime numbers inside. 5, 3, 2, 5, 2. Make sense? This is square root, right? Square root means for 2 copies of every number, you have to bring one of them out and write 5. For 2 copies of this 2, you bring one out and write 5 you took out, 2 you took out. That now what is left over? 3 does not have its pair, so write it as it is. Now multiply 5 and 2, 10 root 3. Jay, did you answer, Jay? Yes,
Yeah, I
right?
answered.
Yes,
You
yes,
said
yes. 10, yeah, thank you. 10 root 3. Any questions, guys? Okay, now I would like to see the simplified form of 48. Quick, come on. These are simple questions. I'm going back again. I feel I'm derailed now. If you don't know this, it's hard, right? Again, we go back, review, come back. It's okay in a way, guys. Doesn't matter, but at the same time, pick up quickly then. Mm-hmm. You get it, guys? For some reason, I want to say, yeah, I got it. Nikita Goodma, Johan correct, Akshara correct, Anbi, nice Anbi, Darsh correct, Jay correct, Arya correct. Okay, Kavin correct, Samanvi correct. Vikyat, did you send Vikyat?
Oh, sorry.
Please don't make me pick. It's for your
No,
benefit,
I
right?
already had the answer tapped out. I forgot to
Oh,
click send.
sorry. Yes, Vikyat. I'm sorry, Vikyat. Nidhi correct, Lasya correct. Okay, let's move on. Okay, overall I get the feeling that you all got it. Okay, now if you add, right, radicals, it's like adding an x and an x. So what if you add x and an x, what happens? It becomes 2 root 2. It's like 2x, right? That's what it is. Okay, suppose if I have 3 root 2 minus root 2, how do you do that? It's 3 root 2 minus 1 root 2. It's like 3x minus 1x, right? So answer is 2 root 2. That's what addition and subtraction works like this. However, when you multiply radicals, right, see, okay, before I go to multiplication, right, what I wanted to show you was, if I have a plus b, right, square root of a plus square root of b, I cannot put them together and put it like this. This is not correct, guys. Please don't do. X and y cannot be combined. If it is square root of 3 plus square root of 2 is never equal to square root of 3 plus 2. Please don't do that. It does apply to addition and subtraction. Any questions till now? However, suppose if I am given this, square root of a number, a prime number, and another prime number. If you are getting that, then you can do square root of 3 times 2. You can write that out as square root of 6. What I mean to say is square root of a times square root of b will be equal to square root of ab. Similarly, square root of a by square root of b can be written together as square root of a by b. Any questions? These are properties of radicals you should remember. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to give you questions on operations of radicals. See, without all these, there is no point moving into geometry so quickly as well. Geometry starts with midpoint, but for me, if you don't know all these, it's difficult as we move up. So I really want to make sure that you guys are very good with this. Okay, how about, okay, I'm going to give you a couple problems here, okay? You're going to simplify 10 square root of 175. I want answer, please answer, 10 is outside. Please answer in such a way you put the question numbers for me to track. If you don't put the question number, I cannot track which question, what answer. I don't want to be there. So please send in with the question numbers. Okay, now Let's see this one. If you have a composite number inside a square root, if you have a composite number inside a square root, it is so important for you to simplify and then you're going to add. Simplify the radical, then only you're going to add or subtract. Okay. First operation is to simplify a radical given. Okay. Go ahead, guys. You can go ahead and do that problem. Second problem is that. We'll give you the third problem. It is not difficult, guys, but let me know. Even if you find it tough, auntie, this was tough. You can always say that. Does not matter. I appreciate it. There are 3 problems on the board. All either on radical simplification or addition subtraction. Yeah, Arya, that's correct for number 1. Samanvi, that's correct, ma. Anvi, that's correct. Anvi, I think you're picking up fast, right, Anvi? Nice, thank you. That's so good to see. Go ahead. Yeah, Samanvi, second one. Samanvi, can you check Samanvi your answer? Is that right, Samanvi? Oh yeah, it's right. Sorry, you're right. Sorry, Samanvi, you're right. I was incorrect. Yes, Vikyat. Vikyat, for the first one, is that right? First one, there is a 10 there. Did you forget that, Vikyat? There's
I'll double
already a
check.
10 outside. Huh?
I'll double check.
Yeah. The only thing you forgot was there is already a 10 outside. You have to multiply that, right? J, correct. First one. Number 1 is... again, same problem. Vikyat and Darsh, you forgot the 10 outside. Akshara. The second one, right, Akshara? Radical 20 is a composite number. It can be simplified, right, Akshara? The radical 20 can be simplified, right, Akshara? Johan, that's right. First one. Nikita, correct, ma. Okay. I'm sure everybody is working on the third one. Let's see.
Can you check my answer?
Wait, Darsh. I have to go through Samanvi's weight. 13 root 6, 4 root 7, 8 root 2. Sorry, Darsh. The first one itself, did I not say yours is correct for the first one? Yeah, you have to multiply the 10. I think you got it now. Arya, that doesn't seem right, Arya. 2 square root of 10, square root of 5, right, Arya? Okay, I'm going to do
I
it.
think I think I typed it wrong.
But you understood, why?
Yeah, I think I accidentally typed
This
10
is 2
instead of
square
5.
root of 6 plus c, square root of 20, square root of 20, both are one and the same. So first you can combine them as well. 3 minus 2 is 1 square root of 20, but you can't leave this like this. You have to simplify, I told you, right? So when you simplify 20, prime factorize 4 times 5, 2 times 2 times 5, right? So how will you simplify square root of 20? 2 you bring it out, right? 5 does not have its pair. So that is 2 root 5. The answer is this. Any questions? Now coming to how to simplify 10 square root of 175. 10 square root of 175, again prime factorize. How do you prime factorize? 175, prime factorize it. 25 times 7, 557. So I will write it down, 557. What comes out? One of the 5 come out. When one of the 5 come out, there's already a 10 sitting outside. So that becomes 50 root 7. Any questions? Okay, the last one. Last one is a little difficult, so I'm going to do it nicely. See, only thing is prime factorizing. That is what is the main thing. 12 times 8, this becomes 222. This becomes 322. Right? So, what happens here? 1, 2 comes out, 1, 2 comes out. So, 4 comes out. 4 is already sitting outside. So, 16 root 6 minus 54. How can I write 54? 6 9s are 54, right? 6 9s are 54, right? So 3 2 3 3. One of the 3 will come out, right? 3 root 6 minus 4 root 7 minus 4 times 2. 2 will come out because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So one of the 2 come out. One does not have its pair, so it stays inside. Now I can combine these two. 13 root 6 minus 4 root 7 minus 8 root 2. That is your answer. If you found it difficult, now is the time to raise your hands and tell me, Auntie, I really did not understand. Was the third one difficult, guys? Nikita, did you understand where was the mistake, Nikita, on the second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Akshara, did you understand the third one and the first one?
Yeah.
Vikyat, did you get the third one?
Yeah.
But you missed the 3 square root of 6, right?
Oh, yeah.
But you got it, right?
Yeah, I was just one mistake with the first
No
part.
problem. Yes, everything else was correct. Anvi, did you understand the third one, ma?
Yeah.
Very nice. Kavin, good job. Now you got it, Kavin. You said you did not know or remember, right?
Yeah,
But
I
you got
just
it now,
forgot a
looks like.
bit.
Yeah. So you just needed a review, looks like, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So addition, subtraction, I'm thinking is good, right? Considering that, I'm going to move into multiplication division. Okay. How about this? I'll give you 2 questions, okay? One question is difficult, one question is easy. Multiplication division is very easy. You can combine. Addition, subtraction, you cannot combine, so it is a pain. Whereas multiplication division, you can combine prime factorize. Combine prime factorize. That becomes so easy when you combine and prime factorize. Okay? You have to combine prime factorize. Division as well is easy because you can cancel out. So I've given you 3 problems. If you don't know, you don't know. That does not matter. But don't portray as if you know when you don't know. That is the important piece, and don't keep quiet. You have to clearly tell, hey, I did not understand. It's okay. This week your homework will be on radicals, guys. I just want to be sure you're all good with radicals though.
Miss Priya, can you move your screen a little bit? I can't see the questions.
You can't see the questions.
Yeah, now I
You're
can.
able to see now?
Yeah, now.
Good. You can take your time, guys. Next I'll move to more multiplication division, meaning we are not done. We'll do distributive property. Okay. Why we are learning this? Because in geometry, all your calculations will involve radicals. At that time, you cannot come and say, hey, how to do this, how to do that. So instead, we are learning it in advance so that when I get into problems that are revolving around radicals, you will know how to operate on them. Just message me, guys. If you're stuck, immediately message me. Auntie, I'm stuck here. How to do? I hear you. I'll help you. Okay. 5. So 5, 3. 5, 3, 4, 3. So 2, 3. That's right, Arya. You can shout out if you need help. Does not matter. You can just message me. What is that? That's a hard one, right? Let's see what is the answer for that one. Hey guys, I think I lost connection. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Sorry about it, guys. And you lost the problems, right? I'm sorry for that. Okay, I don't know what happened. But do you see the problems on the board now?
Yeah.
Sorry about it, guys. I don't know why I lost connection and it just came again. Always, whenever there is any intermittent problems, usually there is not. But then if it is, please hang on, please stay in the Zoom session, do the problem given. I will be back. Just in case I'm telling. Go ahead. Got it? See, I'll ramp up the pace of the class as we move up. I feel like you need to send me the answer again, guys, because I lost it, right? So please, if you have sent it, make sure you resend it, ma, please. Oh, okay, Anvi. Anvi, for this one, you're asking for the third problem, Anvi? Ma, please
Yeah.
yeah, ma, please resend your answers, ma. I lost time saying, right? So please resend. Jay, I told you, right? If you have 180, right, it is a composite number. Composite number can never be inside radical. It has to be simplified, right? You have to make the prime factorization and simplify it. You can never have a composite number inside.
Okay, I'll fix it.
I can't say a composite number. A composite number which might have the same factors. Square root of 180 can be simplified, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'll send it to you again.
Yeah, Jay, this third one is correct. The first one I need to verify. I feel like that's not correct. I don't know. I am checking though. 2 plus 4 root 6. Jay, for the first one, can you check? It's not 6 square root of 2. It's more. Can you check? Yeah, that's right. Last, yeah. Last year, that's not 20 root 6. And again, last year, is your multiplication correct, ma? I doubt. Third one is correct last year. Anvi, the first two are right. Anvi, it is just ordinary division, ma. 15 you can split it, right? Root 5 times root 3, then cancel out numerator, denominator. I'll help you. Arya, I'm waiting for your answers. Are you doing? Kavin, Nidhi, did you get it?
I'm on the third one.
I already submitted mine.
Okay. Nidhi?
I was just double checking them. I'm sending them now.
Okay. Darsh? Darsh, the first one is correct. The second one is okay, I think so. Yeah. Darsh, correct.
What is the third one correct?
Yeah. Vikyat, 3 square root of 5. Yeah, Vikyat, but I did not receive your first two answers. I'm sorry, ma. Akshara, I'm going to do it for you.
Oh, I thought I sent it.
Yeah, you sent it, ma, but I lost connection. I'm sorry about it. Please resend, I'm saying.
All right.
2 square root of 6. Yeah, 6 square root of 5, 3. Oh, wow, Nidhi. Nice work. Nikita, absolutely I can. Okay. Nikita and Akshara, I'm going to explain. Johan, I got the second one. The first one, Johan, and the third one.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, I should resend the first one. Sorry, I forgot.
No problem. Oh, you sent it. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So again, Arya, the third one is incorrect, I feel, Arya. I'll tell you why. Okay, I'll do the third one first. Please listen. See, square root of 15, I told you, right? Square root of A times square root of B can be square root of AB. Similarly, square root of AB can be split as well. So I can split it out as 3 square root of 5 square root of 3 divided by 4 square root of 3. Numerator and denominator the same means you can cancel them. So the answer is 3 square root of 5 by 4 for the third one. Okay, for the second one, square root of 5 times 3 times square root of 2 times 2 times 3. This is 12, right? I'm prime factorizing it. This is 15. Now I can combine all of them and write 5, 3, 2, 2, 3. One copy of 2, one copy of 3 comes out, making 6 square root of 5. Any questions? The first one is so difficult to see, but you can make it easy. See, plus 3 square root of 96 and minus 3 square root of 96 get cancelled because they are the same, minus x plus x. Minus 3 square root of 72 plus 4 square root of 6. How do you do that? 72 when you simplify, 8 times 9, this is 3, 3, this is 2, 2, 2. So these are the factors you're going to write, but you can bring 1, 2 outside, 1, 3 outside. That becomes 6 root 2, right? This becomes 4 root 6. When you combine these two, minus 3 times 6 is minus 18 root 2 plus 4 root 6. Any questions? Arya, this was 18. You forgot the minus 3 that was already there. You have to multiply that. Did you get it, Arya?
Yes.
Okay, good. Akshara, how is it now? Akshara?
I get it.
Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going to do and show a couple of problems that are a little difficult. Let's see where we land, okay? Now, if I want to distribute, right? Suppose we have learned distributive property, but we have not learned distributive property with radicals. That's my problem here. So, there is a distributive property, right? Minus 5 times 5 minus... So, how to distribute this minus radical 5? It's not hard at all, guys. So, now I told you, right? Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is what, Ma Anvi? Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is what?
5.
5. Good job. So nice. So, when I combine minus square root of 5 times here, it is minus square root of 5 times 5. So, it just becomes 5 square root of 5. Any questions there? After that, the minus square root of 5 is multiplied with square root of 2. So, it becomes square root of 10. The answer is this, because this cannot be simplified, this cannot be simplified. They cannot be combined. Any questions? Great. Okay, I'm going to show you more distribution. Okay. Let's see this one. I'll do a complicated distribution so that you can do it further. How about this? Square root of 15. That's so hard. 15, I'm going to combine with minus... Oh, what did I do? Sorry, guys. Square root of 15, I'm going to combine with minus 2 times square root of 10. Then I'm going to combine plus 5 square root of 15. Any questions? But this is not enough. That's not correct. I can combine these two. Let me combine and see. 15 is 3 times 5. Then I have a minus 2 outside of the radicals. Then a square root of 10, I can write it out as 5 times 2. Now what and all can come out? 5 can come out. When the 5 comes out, it combines with the minus 2, right? 5 times minus 2 is a minus 10 square root of 6 plus 5 square root of 15. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Akshara, did you understand? Yeah, similarly, if I want to distribute like this, guys, it makes it so messy. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is a 5. Then you have plus 2 square root of 5. Make sense? Darsh, you're following or confused?
No, I follow.
Oh, okay. I thought you were confused. Okay, let's move on. So, I will do one more, okay? Because I will do one more so that, okay. Suppose if you're given something like this, what will you do? What will be the first step? Arya, you explain to me. What will be the first step, Arya? If you're asked to simplify this, what will be your first step? You can shout out anything that you want. Even if it's wrong, does not matter one bit.
You'd have to simplify 4 into its square
Yeah,
root.
that's right. I'll simplify 4 and 2. There is an easy thing to simplify. So that becomes minus 2 square root of 6. But nobody is going to accept this answer. Why, you know? You cannot have, this is set on stone in mathematics. You cannot have irrational denominators. This is such an important thing in mathematics. They won't accept your answer if you give this as minus 2 by square root of 6. This is an irrational denominator. Do you all remember what are irrational numbers? Square root of 2, square root of 5, square root of 6, square root of 8, square root of 7, square root of 10, square root of 11. All these are irrational numbers. Numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction, right? Numbers which are decimals, but then the pattern of continuity after the decimal point we don't know. They are irrational numbers. So you cannot have the denominator as an irrational fraction. You know what you do? I will rationalize the denominator. Rationalize denominator. How do you rationalize the denominator? Minus 2 by square root of 6 is multiplied with square root of 6 and square root of 6. That becomes minus 2 square root of 6 by 6. Again, it's not simplified. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3, right? So the answer is minus square root of 6 divided by 3. That's the simplified form. Any questions? Who has a question here? First of all, you cannot have an irrational denominator. Second thing, you have to rationalize the denominator. You have to make that as a rational number. For that, if you have a radical, you multiply by the same radical in the numerator and the denominator. Then you make sure you simplify your fraction. Any questions? Can I move on? Okay. Okay, now I am done with my explanation. I would like you to try. Yeah, this is a good one for you all to try. Let's see. Yeah, it's a good one to try. Let's try this one. Okay. Answer that, and one distribution problem I have to give you, correct? Which distribution problem to give you, I don't know. Yeah, try this one. Let's mark it as 10 and 11. I don't know which number I'm doing. Johan, you're good, Johan. Are you following, Johan?
Yeah.
Okay. I can help, guys. If even if you're stuck even now, does not matter, but please let me know. Don't sit there thinking, oh my god, I don't know, I'm not understanding. That's not the point of this class. Okay, at school you can do better if you are open and tell, hey, I don't know, can you explain? So for the next class, right, the target is to cover midpoint distance formulas. We will also cover fractional distances. Okay, we are a little bit faster in summer, right? You'll have a nice time after the school opens. You'll be way far ahead of the system. Kavin, is that the answer for this? Oh yeah, that's true. I don't know. Let me check, Kavin.
Okay.
Yeah, let me check. Please give me 1 minute. I feel like something is going wrong with my machine. Can I intervene or are you all doing it? So that easy, the first one. Let me go ahead and do directly and check your answers later, I feel. Okay, let's see. I feel like square, see, 5 plus square root of 2 divided by 5 root 2, right? The first thing I notice is there is an irrational denominator. I cannot tolerate the irrational denominator. So I'll have to multiply by root 2. So that becomes 5. What is going on with my pen? 5 root 2 plus 2 divided by 5 times 2 is at 10. Any questions, guys? Any questions till now? Jay, did you forget to write the denominator, Jay?
Oh yeah, wait. Can I just
No
say it?
problem. If you've forgotten, does not matter. I'm just asking. Johan, how did you get a 1, ma?
Yeah, I know what I made wrong.
Okay, good, good. Arya, did you understand Arya?
Yes.
Um, Arya, I really like your answer, but let me do your way. Arya, even if you want to do it your way, right, Arya, you have done this, which is correct actually. Okay, this is correct. 1 by 5 plus square root of 2 by 2 is perfectly correct. Your answer is right, or this answer is right. Makes sense, Arya?
Yes.
So what Arya has done is, instead of writing it like this, I really like his answer. He has divided both these terms. See, this is a term, this is a term. They're separated by pluses and minuses, right? Each is a term. So he has divided each term by a 10. So 5 root 2 by 10 plus 2 by 10. So what happens if you simplify that? That becomes root 2 by 2 plus 1 by 5. This is as well correct. Good one, Arya. Okay, the second one is you multiply these together, right? Minus 2 times 6 is minus 12 root 7. Then you're going to multiply minus 2 root 7 with root 7. So what happens? Plus 2 times 7. That becomes minus 12 root 7. I'm sorry guys. Minus 12 root 7 plus 14. Any questions? Any questions? Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Should we stop here? Can I give you work on radicals?
Yeah.
Okay. I would really like to talk to Anvi to understand how we are going in Akshara. Any questions for me? If you have any questions, you can stay. Otherwise, have a nice week ahead. Please look for your homework in the Google Classroom. Finish it on time, submit on time, and I'll see you all next week at the same time.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a
Thank you,
nice
Miss
week
Priya.
ahead.
Bye.
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 Lasya, you're good, right? Okay.
I just have a little bit of problems with the division ones.
Division. Okay. Other than that, you are able to follow, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, immediately raise your hand and stop me. You got it, Anvi?
yeah.
But you're coping along well, is my thought. Let me stop the recording. Wait.